The Lost Treasure of Evergreen Forest, a short moral story. Deep in the heart of Evergreen Forest, an old legend spoke of a hidden treasure buried beneath the tallest tree. Many had searched, but none had found it. One day, 3 friends, a clever squirrel named Felix, a brave rabbit named Ruby, and a wise old turtle named Oliver, decided to find the treasure together. They followed an ancient map, crossing rushing rivers and climbing steep hills. Finally, they reached the tallest tree. Excited, Felix and Ruby started digging immediately. But Oliver paused and examined the tree carefully. "This treasure may not be gold and jewels," Oliver said thoughtfully. Felix and Ruby ignored him and kept digging until they hit something hard. Their hearts pounded as they cleared the dirt, only to find a wooden chest filled with old books, seeds, and gardening tools. Disappointed, Felix sighed. "No gold." Oliver smiled. "This is a treasure. These books hold knowledge, and these seeds will grow into food and flowers for the whole forest." Realizing Oliver was right, Felix and Ruby smiled. They shared their discovery with the other animals, who used the books to learn, planted the seeds, and made the forest more beautiful than ever. From that day on, the friends understood that not all treasures are made of gold. Some are meant to be shared. Moral: true treasure lies in knowledge, nature, and the things that benefit everyone. Thank you for watching.